Okay, again, this is exercise 16.1. This is really easy. We're just putting dimensionings on a project. So we're already on the dimension layer when we open up the drawing. I'm just going to tell it to zoom extents so we get it dead center. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Annotate tab right here. And I'm going to go in under my dimensions and find my center mark. Because I want a center mark on that circle. That's the most important thing about that circle is not just its radius, but where it is. So now I'm going to use my dimension tool, and I'm going to start right here. Now we dimension between parts so that we can compare things. So I'm going to come across here, and I'm going to come to my first detail. Now I hit a hidden line. We never ever dimension to hidden lines, so the next thing I hit is that center line right there. So I'll click on it, pull it up, place it, and there it is. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my, not continue, but baseline dimension tool. So I hit the baseline, and then I can just start clicking on the next corner and the next corner, and it automatically updates those. When I'm done, I hit enter. I'm going to repeat that process going vertically. So I click on the corner here. First thing I hit is this corner, pull it out here to the right between the two drawings, or the two views, and then I go baseline, and I click on the end point of that center line, and that point out there. Now I hit enter when I'm done. Now look right here. See how my dimensions run into each other? I'm going to hit my escape key so I get out of all commands. I need to do a grip edit and move these just a little bit so that they are clear. Okay, so I'm just going to nudge that out a little bit more and a little there. So that way my numbers are nice and clear. Now I need to do a diameter dimension on this circle. Now it used to detach the leader all the way out. Right now it's not, so I'm just going to put it right there for right now. Okay, now other than that I just need to put on a couple of more linear dimensions. I need to measure from here to here. Now I can't put that in between the view because it goes over top of the line, so I have to go outside the view right there. And I'm going to repeat the process and go the other direction here. And then I'm going to come over here on this side view and get its width of the block. Okay, now with that done, is there any information I don't have on this? I have its length for all the views. I have its width for all the views. I have the width and the depth of that notch. I have the location of the center of that circle and its diameter. Basically what I'm looking for is to see if I have any double dimensions or any missing dimensions. At this point I don't. Now there is one thing I am missing. It is a center line. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy this center line from that intersection right there to this intersection right here. Now I'm going to rotate that same center line right around that point right there so I get it going the right direction. And then I'm going to move it right into the middle of this guy. So I'm going to move from this point, move, pick the center line, enter, from this intersection. I'm going to tell it to go a quarter. Come on, like me. Oh, it's still on rotate. Move. There we go. Now it likes me. From that intersection straight to my left, 0.25 inches because it is a 1/2 inch diameter. So there it is in the center. That's all it takes. This one's done. Thanks.